Both Amanda and I are analytical technicians, which means we actually work with instruments to figure out what the physical and chemical properties are of plastics. We have plastics everywhere. You have them in your clothing, in your shoes, and anything that you get takeout on, your yogurt. So plastic is everywhere. So here are two really important plastics that we have right now. One is, I know all of you probably have a little brother, sister, or cousin that has a diaper. And this is a water-absorbing polymer. This water-absorbing polymer, when it comes in contact with water, absorbs it. Amanda's going to sit here now and show you what actually happens once the polymer is added to the water. So this is what you're going to see whenever you see the baby diapers. And so what's happening is as the polymer is going in, it's almost a 1-to-1 ratio, and it's going to fill a gel. So this is the gel. This is what actually is done with the polymer and the water. So that's really cool. The next test that we actually can show you is we talk about oil that happens. We get oil spills in the ocean, and that's not really great. So what we want to do is get the oil out. As you can see, oil and water, they don't mix, but it's really hard to try to get them to separate out and pull it out from the ocean. So we have oil-absorbing polymer. So this oil-absorbing polymer is added to the oil spill. And the polymer is just added if it is a very small spill. If it's a very large spill, they'll actually fill what are called socks. And these socks will be filled with the polymer, and they'll actually pull the oil out. So as you can see, Amanda's adding the polymer right now to it. And you can see that it's completely separated out the oil, and she added more. She'd be able to pull out the entire amount of oil from that. So this is really important in keeping our oceans clean. Another thing that's really important that you see on the news and everyone talks about is keeping plastic, actual plastic out of the oceans. Yes, we use plastic to clean the oceans, but the best way to keep plastics out of our oceans and to keep them out of our playgrounds, out of the rivers, is to throw it away properly. So our job, all of us, to make sure that the plastics don't get where they don't need to be, is to throw them away properly. At the end of this video, we're going to show you a quick little slide that I want to show you all the different polymers and how best to dispose of them. So I hope you guys enjoy and keep on doing science.